Hi, my name is Phoebe. I have been working at PrintHolo for the years, and today I'm making a video to help you guys to move PrintHolo account to Merchant account. As you know, PrintHolo now is Merchant Vietnam. So everything is still the same. You still able to access our fulfillment service, and our products still made in the same factory, but you will able to accept more products at more competitive prices. Okay, to begin, you have to go to merchant.com and click the sign up button here. You can sign in with Google. Create a new store. They have different plans here, but we only use fulfillment service since we already have a PrintHolo Shopify store. Click new store under fulfillment service and enter the store name here. My store name will be demo store. Click new store. When you've done this step, you will have to contact our support through chat box here or on Facebook, or send me a text or messenger. After the store is active, it will be look like this. Now you need to integrate the Shopify store to merchant account. Enter the Shopify store name, and they will link you to this website, and then you can install merchant fulfillment app. Okay, it's done now. The store now is linked to our fulfillment service. To create a new product, you have to go to the Shopify dashboard like I have here, and click the products, and that product, new product. You have the title, description, media. This is where mockup you have to place. I already made a video how to use our mockup, so please watch it. And you enter the price here. Make sure the price on the store is higher than our retail price. Cost per item is our retail prices. You can have played it or not, it doesn't matter. And please check quantity, because it's a print-on-demand service, so we don't check quantity. Country origin Vietnam. You can select the country origin is Vietnam. And make sure you have the options. Name of little size of product. Hard wide insert, we have 6 different sizes from S to 5XL. And you have to enter the size in the product. It might take a while at the beginning to create a new product. You can change prices of size, it's up to you. Then you can put started product, started active, and type of product to appear. And vendor, make sure vendor is merchant and letter M is capital. I think we are done here. Almost done. You can insert task, product, insert to you, and insert here is a put the tag here is a hardware insert. Okay, we are done. Now we can save it, and this product will live on your store. You can click to preview how product look like on your store. Here's how my product look like on my store. It's a demo store, so I haven't got anything really interesting here. We have description, prices, and size. That's all we need for You can after you create, you can duplicate new product to change it like same product, but you just need to change the design for it, change the mockup, but still same price is still same, description still same, and I also keep the same title for it. You might have to change the title. After duplicate product, you will have here look like this. Everything gives same prices, size, that gives the same. Now you need to change the media. You made a product. Okay, yeah, it's how we create a new product or with merge. You see here on my store, I still have a lot of product made created by PrintHolo. So I have to click the Pro vendor and to PrintHolo and add this the vendor PrintHolo to merge. Click edit product. And you couldn't see this vendor here, you have to click columns to choose vendor, and now you have to change vendor PrintHolo to merge. Make sure letter M is capital. It might take a while if you have a lot of products created by PrintHolo like me. I'm bored of doing it. I just wish they have bug edit, then I can edit all of it at the same time. Now I have to make sure every product is more into merge system, so I have to change, fill it again and change the vendor. Okay, we check it again. Make sure we don't have any product made in PrintHolo anymore. Okay, I'm done. Now all my product model moving to merge. So when I have order with this product, it will show up in my store. Merge here. Otherwise you have to make sure you have to pop up credits to merge account. Enter the account amount and make sure you have transaction ID, then our accountant can check it. Submit. to successfully our account and will check and approve money sent to our account. When you have okay, before I finish this video, I will tell you how to create a new product in another way. You see, Lost Store already have a lot of products and different types of this. So you just want to change the mockup title. So just click the product you want to make it. Like you want to sell another Hawaii shirt or 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐧𝐭, for instance, I want to sell another premium 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐧𝐭. I click on it and click to duplicate it. Then I can keep all the change title new AOP premium 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐧𝐭 and duplicate product. So you see I have title and have description and the side guide here and the side with the prices. So I just need to change the new image. Grab the new image here. Have some type product, some image here. Click on it. The vendor custom type styles already have and collection tags. Don't need to view it anymore. Product status you can like more active. Then it will be alive in the store. Now we can save it. Okay, my image is uploaded. And you can click preview now. Yeah, it's how it look like. Oh, look good. Yeah, it's how we create a new product. And you don't need to change the like. It's how we so it's how we create a new product. And you don't need to change the design. It create a new I don't know how to say. Yeah, just create a new product and you keep same title, description, size, and prices.